Hi guys, it's Ian from Liberty Bistro in Sedro-Woolley. I've been making sausages for years, and I've got a class coming up that I hope that you can join me for, and I'm going to teach you how I make sausages, including our famous bangers. But for today, I'm going to walk you through how all the steps that I take to make our sausages. So come on.
First thing that I do is I separate all the fat from the pork. You can see I've got a pile of the good fat, and then what I'll do is I'll cut all of this down into small strips so I can fit it into my grinder. This is a different kind of fat. It's soft and it'll grind right up into the sausages. What we're doing is we're going to make sure that the fat and the meat are mixed separately so we can have a real consistent, smooth texture in our sausages. Next step is grinding up the fat first. So now I'm mixing the pork fat and the pork together for the first time. There's a lot of mixing involved. And then we're going to add the seasonings here in a second. Then we'll mix it up again. And then we're going to grind it all again. And that even helps it mix even more. Okay, next up, spices. Next, we're going to change the plate on our grinder to a smaller grind and pass all of this meat through the grinder one more time so it's a real smooth texture on our sausage. So here we go. So we're putting our stuffer together. I've already cleaned and sanitized everything. The most important part of making sausages is not killing anybody that eats your sausage. So I've already washed these. These are the skins or the innards of the pig, and we have washed these a couple times. We've run water through them.
Well, there you have it, homemade sausages. Stay tuned on our Facebook and Instagram for more details about our classes, and thanks for joining me. I hope you can come to the show, and have a great day.